This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Anne Marie Dooley. No showings until May 23. Open house May 23 to 1:00 to 4 p.m. Spacious 2015 Toll Brothers San Rio floor plan 2-bedroom plus DN custom pool home. This property is located west of Route 75 off Estero Boulevard. The home is set back on a premium landscaped corner lot lined with royal palms with watered views from the great room and screened lanai. The home has been upgraded with a variety of features including hurricane windows and doors, upgraded kitchen cabinetry, a custom pool and SBA, an outdoor kitchen and a pool bath. Inside there are 2 bedrooms, a large den with enough space to be used as a 3rd bedroom, a separate dining/living area plus a great room. The roomy master suite has 3 closets, a private bath with a frameless shower enclosure and view of the pool and spa. The screened lanai offers both privacy and a lake view. With the outdoor kitchen, heated pool and spa, and access to the pool bath, the space will quickly become a favorite spot for entertaining guests or just to relax. The Reserve at Estero is centrally located between Fort Myers and Naples, close to the RSW airport as well as a variety of dining and shopping venues. Agent C remarks for more information, review the details below.